Hello guys, good morning everyone. How are you guys? It's Tuesday or Wednesday? It's Wednesday, guys. Happy Wednesday everyone. How's your morning so far? I saw PM not PM. Asia yesterday was brilliant. Amazing, but unfortunately I wasn't at home. As always, I cannot trade Tuesday, but I believe it, like, lots of people traded this, and because it was amazing, move up. Afternoon here, yeah. So you guys, let's see if you're going to trade something today. I got long at 7:50 or 8 a.m. And you know, yesterday I got a loss. I was trying to trade lunch. I got losing trade on all my accounts. Not all, most of my accounts. Like 90% of my accounts, I cannot say that it's like a loss because average loss was $100 only. But today I got $700 profit. Like, compare $700 in profit and $100 in loss. See the difference? And yesterday I didn't want to like recover my losses or something like this. Honestly, I wanted to close at break even yesterday. I just closed slightly below my entry. But yeah, I got loss yesterday and I got win today. Going to try to find something else. But here's my trade. Late entry. Once again, I cannot trade normally until like 8:15, 8:30 most of the time. So once I turn on computer, I see perfect long here. I mean entry over here. But I'm late. I'm going to try to trade like 1 hour trade. I'm going to enter here, but in reality I never was in drawdown. And once I close my trade, price immediately reverse. See this? Like, pretty much I pick the top here. So I got nice trade. As you can see, I closed at 68.2 or so, but yeah, 68.3, which is actually a nice trade here. Happy with my trade. Going to wait for another one. As you can see, gold is extremely bullish, like extremely bullish. Why I took like, lots of people told me like it's from nowhere, but I'm going to tell you, it clearly was power of 3, and as you can see, it still left equal lows on gold, not on micro gold. But what I saw, 1, 2, 3 depth pattern: accumulation, manipulation, distribution, rejection block here. And what else I saw? It was too close to equal lows, but I cannot like expect to take them like that low because we set accumulation. I would like to see it's going to offer fake move up back to premium. We'll take internal liquidity level and then short to equal lows. I didn't take short because model was not presented there. But yeah, it offered move down where micro gold took this low, while gold, I believe, failed. Like, we have equal lows lower still. But I would like to keep in mind, like, overall market is bullish. We got huge move up. It's like over 40 points, right? Or so, like even more. Let's see what kind of trade we are going to get today. Hard, like hard to long because I have no idea what kind of level I would like to aim for. But obviously it's long simply because the trade at all-time highs. Let me see. Yeah, of course, my concern right now is equal lows here, which is extremely obvious right now. And honestly, I don't mind to see price taking what we can get. Like, 2 options we can get here. Price going to take all-time high, reverse also down to equal lows, and then reversal again. Or it's going to be moved down like from this area, because if I want to short, I would like to short from current area or from all-time high, not somewhere here, like from equilibrium of this move up. Equal lows, no, equal loss even lower to 4-hour fair value gap, which is internal range liquidity higher, or all-time high, short, long again. This is how we want to trade this consolidation on medium time frame. Use standard deviation inside this consolidation. I mean, I have standard deviation based on hourly, I believe. That's why I'm looking for move to 4-hour fair value gap. Like ideal plan. Short from current area or from all-time high to take this equal loss and this 4-hour fair value gap. Let's see if you're going to get some trade here. I mean, like long right now, I mean, possible, but I feel like I need this equal loss first. And internal range liquidity, which is 4-hour fair value gap. Let me show you. Like an external to internal. Why don't trade in Q? I'm not friends with in Q anymore. Look at this wick over here. Then another wick over here. Feels like it's quite loud. What about now? Short and no one short and all-time high. I'm talking about move from external to internal. Back to external. Why don't trade in Q? Because it's hard for me to trade higher from consolidation. Come on, I keep answering, but you keep asking the same question. Yes, I took this trade. I'll just show the executions. I deleted this, right? Here's a trade I took. Yesterday I took small loss during lunch. And today I got big win. I was trying to long gold. And it's actually funny because yesterday I long gold on my all accounts. It never ever hit my stop loss, like nothing bad happened, but I saw invalidation of my trade, that's why I closed this. And once I closed the trade, it immediately went to my TP. I was like, really? Like, really? And yes, it is what it is. Could be win, but close trade. Oh, happy to be helpful. Thank you. I'm overall bullish. According to projections, we can pump like another 80 points. Since we don't have any levels higher, we are going to use projections only. And the very next projection is 4088. Let me extend them to right so everyone can see this. Right. Make this smaller. Yeah. As you can see, we got rejection from 2 all the way down to 1.5, but we never traded to the range between 1 and 1.5. That's the biggest problem, I would say. And if it's going to retrace to this range between 1 and 1.5, ideally I would like to see break below equal lows to take this 4-hour fair value gap, then long all the way up to 40.88. Then to 41.41. But honestly, I don't know when we are going to hit 41.41. Like maybe not today. It's like 80 points away, right? If I wanted to current long here, where I would put... Okay, you know where is my target at this point? It's going to be like 1 hour trade because I would like to aim for all-time high only. Your stop loss is going to be at 40.57. This means you want to long at 40.63 with stop loss at 40.57 with target at 40.71. Like 7 points. Yeah, it's like 1 hour. Worth it? Like 50-50. I'm aiming for 40.85. Can you please give me the price on futures? Hello, hello. I have video about standard deviations on my YouTube channel. Just go on my YouTube, click videos, and you will find this. Now I'm going to trade more today. Hope to see, at least I'm going to try to trade something. I was like, yesterday I decided to like, if I see any signs of good setup, I can actually try to on my Project X, because Project X for Steams only, so it's like to try everything I see with small size, so probably will just give it a try. By the way, guys, finally, I have Lucid accounts. I got 5 straight to funded, 150k Lucid accounts. Just today, got them today. To try, because lots of people ask me if I can try them, what do I think about them, and I got them. It calls Lucid Direct, like straight to funded. I just got them like 1 hour ago. So it's also 150k, pretty much, I would say same rules as TradingView has, like maximum loss limit $6,000, 20% consistency rule, up to 10 minutes, up to 100 micros. I mean, yeah, I would like to try them. It's going to be first day when I'm going to try to trade them. So this means I'm going to execute on Project X and going to copy this on NinjaTrader as well. I mean, I have consistency rule as well, and I have problem with this. If consistency was like 40%, it could be amazing, but it is what it is, right? So once again, as I mentioned before on gold, how much you paid, I believe one account, it was expensive, but they have 35% off right now. Because they added NinjaTrader and... How can I check this? You can have like 35% off right now, but regular price for 150k is $720 plus 35% off. Okay, guys, I'm going to give them a try. So far, what I like about them, because I was trying to figure out if I want to have like evaluation, like test account, or straight to funded. Why I decided to try them? Because they have also one-time evaluation fee. This means you pay just once. So let's see. I'm going to give them a try and I will give you my opinion about this. Let me just try 1 week first. You said 4100. Okay. Yeah, like next level 4088. Yeah, it makes sense. Well, I do like TradingView, really like TradingView. I like their support. I like everything about them. So, but like it's completely different platforms. If you want to compare Apex and TradingView, they have completely different rules. And TradingView has straight to funded. This is what I like. This is what I need. Apex has like option up to 20 accounts. I mean, I trade everything at the same time. And I like this prop firms, but once again, they have different rules. Some people enjoy Apex, some people hate Apex because they keep refuse paid to traders sometimes. But TradingView does not have this. TradingView pays always. So if you want to try something, like if you're trying to figure out if you want to try Apex or TradingView, go to TradingView, obviously. Yeah, that's why I picked straight to funded, because I feel like I'm consistent. I don't need to worry about this. And you know what I do like about them, like overall about straight to funded option, because we have this option almost everywhere right now. And like, okay, consistency rule, but I picked 150K because $6,000 drove down, guys. That's a lot. Trading 5 micros, it's really hard to blow accounts. And you can practice and practice and practice to trade your model and so on. Would you take, let's see. Right now, once again, as I mentioned before, first long idea was at 63 with stop loss at 57 and target at all-time high. That was first trade idea. Let me highlight this. Where I said it was. Over here, over here, over here. I said it's not going to be 2R, but this is what I mentioned. Another long is going to be, let's say, let me tell you what I want to see. Like, ideally, I would like to see be taken out all-time high, dropping down to equal lows and 4-hour fair value gap, which is going to be internal range liquidity, and I would like to long from 4-hour fair value gap to aim for 40.88. I'm bullish. I need this. Let me show you how I want to see this. Like, who cares what I want to see, of course. And I will long here. I can short here. Long right now, like, you had to enter at 63, as I said before. Hope to get like short opportunity here, long opportunity here. Of course, if we get this. Who actually knows? Which account are better, 50K or 100K? 50K. If you trade small size, 50K is the way to go. From Pakistan, I'm not sure, honestly, if it's allowed. But they're not that big range. Let me delete some old levels from here. Would like to keep my chart clean. Also, like, the tricky part here, sorry guys, tricky part here is equal lows lower. And as you can see, equal lows here, but micro gold took this level. Yeah, Ross, yeah. Ideally, would like to see a drop in there. 4014 to create a wick on that hourly candle as entry. Oh, you mean like huge drop? I don't expect to get huge drop just yet. Hello, Elias. Hello, hello. Okay, guys, let's see if it's going to present some shorts here or slightly higher. So we can short to equal lows and 4-hour fair value gap, and we can long from here to aim for 40.88 and maybe 41.41. I hope it's not going to be just like, you know, sometimes you have the straight move down and that's it, which is going to be annoying. I don't have group anymore. I will remove this from my website because I always forget to do this. I mean, I do have group, but I don't like accept new people or something like this. It's just like old members. Yes, straight move down is going to be scam, honestly. But what makes sense to me, just overall idea, since we inside high time from consolidation, long idea from here, like short from all-time high. It sounds crazy, right? Short from all-time high. Dasha, what are you talking about? But yeah, short, like, okay, not short. Move lower from all-time high to equal lows and far fair value gaps. Then long, I'm bullish. Long to aim for 40.88. Please. I saw long setup during Asia yesterday. I wasn't at home. I came home around like 9 p.m. Obviously, I missed everything. I cannot trade on Tuesdays, unfortunately. Brave. I mean, yeah, that one makes sense to me. Support from take profit traders route? Oh, really? Yes, I took this trade. I already showed execution, so you can rewatch this. I took this trade, first trade. Didn't take this one. I just discussed this trade. And curiosity was real nice. I mean, maybe. I still believe in Q is garbage. Still, there is no model to short something. Once again, I know it sounds crazy. I'm not really. If I say short, it does not mean I'm bearish. I'm just waiting for logical retracement down. Logical retracement down at all-time highs. I know it sounds like wild, but please give us this retracement down so we can long again. What about ES? ES stuck at weekly open. Yesterday I was watching weekly open during PM session. And we actually got this, but it was around like 4 p.m. So right now, guys, after like such a huge drop, let me delete this. Such a huge drop yesterday, I believe we have room to go lower. Where we can go at this point to monthly open? 24,843 on NQ. That's what I see so far. I checked one model so far. Like something like this. What do you think? But once again, let's back to gold. So once again, I'm not talking about short, I mean bearish bias. Obviously, it's not bearish bias. I'm talking about logical retracement. If we want to talk about high time frame consolidation or medium time frame consolidation. Logical retracement down to take equal loss and internal range liquidity at far fair value gap. Then we can long this. Yeah, that's the plan. How many trades per day? Like 1-2 trades? Do I need to switch? If you like to trade gold, you can try. You can try. You know, yesterday we got huge, really huge drop, which makes me feel we entered like bearish zone. And monthly open, October open on NQ makes, I would say, lots of sense right now. So let's see if it's going to give us some shorts on ES and NQs this today during PM session. Come on, my computer. Oh, I got it. Okay, my bad. Look at this drop so far. Okay, not drop. Logical retracement. Why can't I turn on my computer? What? Your computer was restarted because of problem. Seriously? Look at this drop. Ignore, okay. My laptop lives his own life. Restore, of course. Once again, I call this logical retracement. 30-minute chart, of course. It's garbage. This is what you want to hear from me. I do like this drop. Not drop. Logical retracement. Let's see if it's going to take equal lows and far fair value gap, and it's going to be long. Your PC is a scam. Well, it was a MacBook. Yes. Okay, let's talk about 30-minute chart. Obviously, chart is extremely bullish overall, but we stuck inside this range, as you can see, and we have equal lows lower. Hard to believe. I mean, scam book. Okay. But what I'm talking about right now, micro gold took this equal lows. Like for micro gold, no complaints. But I have complained about gold. I would like to long, guys. I'm bullish. I really would like to get solid long setup, but from internal range liquidity. Just this retracement, let me long this. Can I long right now? It's really deep premium overall. Hard to long this, in my opinion. But we're gonna see. As said, I will try, if I see like something like low probability, I can try with smaller size. And if it's going to fail, I will just wait for levels that I was waiting for before. That's it. I don't think that's a big problem. I don't trade inversions on gold. Don't really care about this. Because I truly believe we need to stay. Let me highlight this range first. Yeah, if it's going to stay below 067.6, should offer short. Above this level, invalidation. Let's see if it's going to offer some trades here then. I know. Carpet. I know. Shot colors, of course. While we are waiting for setup, I can share. Here's the background. Guys, don't type anything in the chat, so I'm going to just... Here's the background colors. Here's up close candle. And here's down close candle. Interesting code for this. Anything else is black. Any girls in this chat asking for a friend? Jessica, are you married? You're welcome. I took this long. We got 10 points rejection from all-time high. Once again, rejection. It's not reversal, it's rejection. When can we short? I mean, once again, I don't see like exact entry for sure just yet, but I'm wondering if price is going to stay below 50% of this range. So basically from this swing high to this down close candle, which created order block, we got the closure. And if it's going to stay below 40.67, it can be potential short here. I'm not quite sure. No, it's already play out. I'm not quite sure about exact entry and stop loss, but let's see if it's going to stay below this level at all. If so, we can try this with smaller size. If not, then I'm going to just see if I can long like somewhere here. If not, then it's okay. So not quite sure about short, but we will see once again. Proposal. Really? Look at this 20-minute chart. Look at this week over here. It's bullish week. Look at this week's. Oh my god, that's crazy. Don't worry, guys. Next week, I'm going to do week of giveaways. It's going to be Tradify, funding ticks. Funded next, I hope so. Lucid accounts. What else? TradeZella and FX Replay, I believe. It's going to be Epics as well. Take Profit Trader. I think that's it. I can schedule it on my phone. I'm going to check later. Once again, waiting for this logical drop to equal lows and for value gap. At least equal lows for now. Overextended? Because I scalp in this. So once again, if it's like extremely bullish, I still can scalp this. Yes, finding ticks, guys. I'm trading with them. I'm not their partner or something like this. I trading with them. I'm going for my payout there. I do like them. That's why I'm going to give away with them. Are you in not trades yet? I mean, like, I'm looking for short. Never interested for a value gap, but short to equal lows, like 10-point short. $4,000 soon. I'm not sure about 4,000. I'm looking for 40.50 and 40.44 area. That's it. Nice drop here. Exactly what we expected to get. Just drop more. Exactly according to our plan. Going to this equal lows at least. Equal lows lines up with 1 and 1.5 standard deviation range. And inside this range, we have our value gap, which I want to see, guys. Too long from there. Where it's going to offer some short stuff for us. We'll see. Market is open, guys. No rush. Let's see. Need this drop. Logical drop. Drop it, baby. Just to take this equal lows and for value gap. Funny to say, I predicted move up and down. Like 30 minutes before this happened. And once again, we call this logical retracement. It's not reversal, logical retracement. Good move down. Once again, why I'm looking for this equal lows if micro gold took this level? Yes, micro gold took this level, but gold itself failed. I'm not fan of trading in Q either, so you are not alone with this. Look at this drop. Oh, come on. Are you serious? It's amazing drop. It's 3-minute chart. 3-minute fair value gap. Let me pull indicator here so everyone can see which time frame is here and which instrument is that. All right. Was 1 point away from equal lows. I mean, we got first retest, like 2 retest of this lows, but we never took this. It's like third retest so far. Let's see if it's going to offer this drop. It's not done yet. So once again, market is bullish. We got an external range liquidity. Obviously, we're looking for internal. And I would like to long there. Okay, it's not really drop, because if you want to zoom out, we just retrace back to the range. That's what happened, guys. It's not drop. Hard to call this drop, right? Because when we trade inside consolidation, and it's like third day when we trade inside consolidation during AM session, maybe it's okay to trade from like premium to discount, from discount to premium. It's not going to be like lots of points, but that's probably okay. Come on, give us some move lower to long this, not from this random place. Don't be like this. We want to long this, but not right now. Oops. Yes, I did test it. It's pretty much similar to what I trade. Pretty much the same, right? Pretty much what I trade. I mean, I backtested. Yeah, I have video about this on my channel. Like, last video on YouTube. Trap it, baby. Trap it, baby. To equal lows and far fair value gap. We had, I mean, which one? I mean, longs were okay. That's why I took this. Funny, yesterday I was down like, once again, average like $100 because I closed like near break even. I had like bigger size. And today I'm up 700. Like, see the difference? And yes, I didn't have like any desire to recover this loss or something like this. Win rate overall like 67%. For 2 months, 80%. I backtested this on gold, NQ, some CL trades. NQ, I had most losses on NQ. Micro gold, I know. Once again, micro gold looks completely different. But once again, this logical drop, it makes million sense to go there. 10 million cents. Well, guys, it's first level taken. Next level and final level is going to be for our fair value gap. Yesterday when I took a loss, I closed computer immediately and just went outside for like small walk. I wouldn't say something significant happened here. Now at Rainbow. I mean, no reason. Let's see. I'm totally fine to see some reversal from equal lows or far fair value gap. Waiting for long. Preferably lower. From 40 area. Like another 15 points drop, please. Drinks on me. Didn't hit on micro. Let me see. It should take this. Don't worry. Look at this drop. Long now? You sure? Not that fast. I'm tracing you. All right. It's gonna be big drop. We're gonna see. So far, my key area is for value gap. See, sometimes when we expect to get logical drop, short from all-time high is fine. I would say it's okay. Funny to say, I'm just trying to compare micro gold and gold. As you can see, high of this candle is higher, but on micro gold is lower. This means order block was valid on gold only. But we are not inside for value gap on futures yet, so let's see if it's going to go there. Like another 10 points lower. It dropped like 20 points, you know, like nothing. Like 20 points from all-time high. Like exactly from all-time high. Well. But if it was in Q, guys, probably it just continue going higher. I use 5 minutes standard deviation. Can you tell me which leg did you use? This one? Like from this flat candle? From here to here? Did I highlight this right? Okay. Forced initiation right at sell side. Not sell side, near sell side over here. We will see, we will see. We just got 5 minute change in the state of delivery, guys. No rush. But I have desire to trade today. SMT, okay. Let me change settings. Oh, it's same one, okay. So if you can get another short, pressure to trace and offer some shorts for us at new order block, so we'll try this then. I will try this. It's up to you if you want to try this. So my plan is, if it's going to retrace and offer a new 3-minute order block, I will give it a try. Preferably before 10. Or if it's going to fail, we'll wait for 10 AM and it will end at 5-minute order block. So I will try short after it's going to offer 3-minute OB before 10. Once again, preferably before 10. I might actually try the short. I'm not sure about stop loss, but something like this. Or if it's going to be after... Not yet. Listen to me. I said, if it's going to retrace and offer 3-minute OB, I will try short. It should happen before 10. Or if it's going to be after 10, I will wait for 5-minute order block. No, long's done. We will look for long from far for value gap or so. Maybe something like this, maybe even lower. So why we use high from PDRA? Ideal 950, exactly. Why we're using high time frame PDRA? Because we're trying to understand what kind of buys we are going to have. Like inside bullish trend, maybe inside bearish trend. You know, like this is important to get this idea based on high time frame level. So I will look for short if it's going to present 3-minute OB for me. I'm not sure from what level it's going to be, approximately here. I will short this to fair value gap. Or if it's going to fail to offer this before 10, I will wait for 5-minute OB to enter the short again, to aim for fair value gap. That's it. And I will look for some reaction from this fair value gap. Let's try to be patient right now. You want, yeah, I agree with your level. On NQ. On NQ, my key area for this week, 843. 843 is a key area for on NQ, so it's monthly open retest. So yes, I would like to see lower. I'm just wondering, like, it's minor retracement, which is probably okay. If it's going to present 3-minute OB, I can give it like first chance with smaller size. If it's going to fail, we'll just wait for deeper retracement, and I will wait for 5-minute OB, and I will try with bigger size. Let's see if it's going to offer 3-minute OB for us. Like current 3-minute order block is going to be here. And we will see. I took long only. So far, no short yet. You mean 5-minute 2022 model for short? You will receive account details, I guess, day before this, before competition starts, so don't worry. You mean, oh, for longs, okay, like nothing right now for longs, right? I mean, it's quite choppy on ES and NQ, I agree with you. But look at ES, ES looks a bit more like bearish compared to NQ. But overall, I don't mind to see the test of monthly open, yeah. Let's check ES real quick, guys. As you can see, we have huge sweep here. Okay. I don't want, I mean, like, when we have huge sweep, obviously hard to trust the short. Like, we got huge sweep. 3-minute OB was offered. Let's see what we have on NQ. Like, it's not in sync at all. Okay, let's check YM. YM dropped, maybe? If you guys bearish on NQ and ES, expect to get move up on ES and NQ and drop on YM. Classic picture. Not even surprised anymore. Let's check gold. No order block. Are you serious? It could be for a short opportunity here. Possible gold longs. I mean, since it failed to offer order block, let's see what it can do. 39.74. Can you give me the price on futures, please, so I can understand at least? too lazy to analyze. Thank you. Yeah, I mean, yeah. You have to be patient, guys, and wait for order block to form first. Don't trap right now. We need order block. What are you doing? What are you doing? Is it okay? Let me see. There's a micro gold. Oh, it's the same. Okay. What about 5-minute chart? Okay, and 5-minute chart. Wait a minute. Why are you dropping? It's like open. Well. So no shorts, guys, here. No shorts here yet. I guess first chance for us, for me, is going to be if it's going to close. Like this. It's my first short opportunity. If it's going to fail, I'm going to wait for 10 a.m. and I can try again. Just totally fine once again. When it's too low and you see like short opportunity, you can try with smaller size. And if it's going to fail, you're waiting for deeper retracement, or for example, silver bullet, you can, I mean, you took a loss, you can wait for another entry after 10. No entry yet. As you can see, no closure. I will delete this so it might be looking confusing right now. Again, it's going to close inside this range. Are you serious? Another 3 minutes of waiting. Please don't do this with us. Any macro? I would say 950, 10, 10 is powerful macro. This is what I trade. Okay, guys, just let's try to be patient here. No reason to be in rush. So we're waiting for setup. For longs, we will see. I need to see validation for long, which is also okay. We took equal lows, but honestly wanted to see a for value gap, which is internal range liquidity for longs. That's why once again I'm looking for lower, 10 points lower to long after this, maybe more than 10 points, like 15 points. But about YM, once again, if you bearish on yes and Q, this means yes and Q will pump hard and YM will drop. It's just classic. So what about YM? I believe it's bearish right now. So it failed to offer order block, still no shorts confirmed here. It's almost 950, by the way. Let's see what kind of stuff we can get. But guys, here's the hourly and 30-minute chart so far. It's chop. But we clearly can see this on lower time frame as well. Guys, who right now lots of people talking about longs, you aiming for like new high again, right? I'm not in trade, like nothing to trade here yet. No setup here to trade something. Either like short below this level, if it's going to close. Breaking resistance, basically buy side, right? All right, I got you aiming for all-time high. That's my plan as well. So I agree with your like overall bias because I have the same one. But like if it wants to like this, it's going to be textbook one, like really textbook one. You're trying to long Simbit because we took equal lows? What another confirmation we have? Let me see on 15-minute chart maybe. I don't know, like type of flower fair value gap is liquidity level as well. Let me highlight this on my project X as well. Sell side. 1, 2, 3. And 15-minute chart, all right. Oh, like twins model here. 15-minute fair value gap. I see, you know, I just opened 15-minute chart on Project X and I see this liquidity level, which seems like obvious to be taken, right? Sell side here. Let's check 30-minute chart. I mean, you know, we took equal lows on 30-minute chart. It's like okay to reverse, honestly, but on floor chart, it's this flower fair value gap can be internal range liquidity. That's why I would like, once again, I would like to see lower to long this because I am bullish. In reality, just offered 5-minute order block, as you can see here. That's it. 3-minute chart doesn't want to tell me a lot yet. But on 5, we got good order block. Let me put on 5-minute chart here as well. CFD took flower fair value gap, that's right. I mean, I don't question my bias because once again, I am bullish. I kind of question this point of reversal, if it's valid point of reversal. While longs were quite obvious over here, long here, kind of 50-50 right now. That's 5-minute chart. Yes, I can see 5-minute OB as reaction from equal lows. And that's it. Look at this hourly. It's clearly seek and destroy right now. I mean, totally possible to get pump from equal lows, but really won't see pump from internal range liquidity. Let's check silver. Maybe silver will tell us a bit more. Well, at this point, silver looks way more bullish. Let's check for our chart as well. But also failed to trade into this flower fair value gap, alright. Same tricky bias overall on high time frame on hourly. It's seek and destroy so far. Because I would like to long really from flower fair value gap to aim for 40.88 on gold futures. That's the plan. Consider standard deviation projections. Well, guys, we got move from 2 and 2.5 standard deviation range to the range between 1 and 1.5. So basically, that's a valid long area. But let's think about how we want to trade this distortion, time distortion, because we're inside distortion. You want to have inversion fair value gap for this. On 5 or 15-minute chart. So at least we can start trusting potential move higher without taking flower fair value gap. I kind of question this for now. Oh, New York midnight open. Yeah, I forgot to highlight this. Thank you for reminding me. Look at this Asia low. Would like to see how many points we pump here. Total. Oh, no way. Almost 70 points. Which makes me feel like, come on, you trade this to this fair value gap. Seems like New York midnight open sitting inside this fair value gap, which also makes sense. At 40.35, right? Probably I will stick to my bias to look for lower move and long from 4 hour fair value gap or somewhere there. Like maybe a bit lower than 4 hour fair value gap. Trend, once again, if you're long right now and see like long setup, of course, like take it. Who I am to stop you? Because probably you're right, because bias is bullish. Just I don't see something that confirms the entry that I use, model entry that I use. Just for now. Maybe we'll see something later, but right now, nothing. Like we look at this market in real time. In real time, I don't see a lot to long this. In hindsight, maybe we'll see better. But right now, nothing to long this. I can be wrong. But no longs for me here. In real time. If I'm going to miss this long right now, of course I'm going to journal this with hindsight chart. But right now, once again, I don't see a lot to long this. Chase the price? No, thank you. Not going to do this. Because, you know, I'm totally fine to take a loss if this loss was according to the plan. I follow the plan. It was an entry model here. I'm all in. And if it failed, that's perfect. I follow my rules. But here, if I'm going to chase the price right now to long this, because I just would like to see higher and that's it, I'm going to blame myself for taking this loss. I will feel like, oh, come on, Dasha, you didn't follow your rules, that's why I took a loss. That's why I said I'm going to wait for a model to present itself, and once again, I will try this, no matter what kind of result I can get, but at least I follow my rules and model. Here, nothing to enter long, just for me. I'm okay to wait. I'm okay to miss this as well. Maybe we can get continuation, so that will be fine. Let's wait. Do you have single sister? I have it. I have it. I have single sister, by the way. I'm not joking right now. Let's see what Silver Bullet can offer us. Let's check this. I guess I need to pick a different one. I believe I analyzed this a long time. Oh, maybe I'm not. Okay, let's do top-down analysis. Like overall, I keep checking like markets, different markets, and it's almost everywhere consolidation. Great long overall here, which I do like. Going to highlight 50% of this propulsion block, which is going to be probably target. So we are like I would like to see higher, just looking at monthly chart. Same here, I would like to see higher. So I'm not quite sure which broker you use, but I'm looking for this level 153.366. And just based on high time frame. Interesting gap. Have no idea what kind of gap is this. So what can happen? Something like this. That's based on high time frame chart only. Yeah, we have our order block, which confirms the idea. Maybe it will not offer retracement, but I'm bullish to take 153.366. That's a bias for this forex pair. Make sense? Yeah, I see gold keep going higher, which is, once again, totally fine with this. I'm actually trying to trade continuation, but right now, I don't see like obvious move up here, to be honest. Yeah, silver is bullish. Didn't trade into this for value gap, which is also like scam. But I'm bullish everywhere on gold and silver. Clearly, we have accumulation, like minor manipulation, like would like to see lower. Why? What's the reason? Easy. Move from external to internal range liquidity. That's it. Simple, right? That's how we want to trade trends. When we have high FM trend, I want to look for move from external to internal, back to external, from internal from external, and so on. Seems like, yeah, CFD means something. You know, I never use this. But we definitely... I was looking for another for value gap. This one. Are you serious? I still don't feel like I missed something. Once again, no model presented here. Do you trade FOMC? Post FOMC, yes. FOMC itself? Nope. It's okay. I feel like equal lows really not enough. At 9 a.m. You mean for short? Not really. Order block covered premium discount. For me, long was possible. Yeah, for me personal, long was possible. I was bullish once again. Long was possible from this far for value gap. Maybe it wasn't A plus, by the way. Yes. As I said, in real time, it wasn't obvious. Long, I would say maybe right now it's also not that obvious yet. But I might try to catch continuation then. It's okay. Look at this 30-minute and hourly candle. That's clearly second destroy, so I believe I didn't miss anything yet. Oops. Interesting. Gold moves like 5-10 points within one candle, like nothing, right? So I don't trade Tuesdays because my kids have high key classes, so I cannot trade Tuesday because I'm at home like too late to trade something. Unfortunately, I don't trade Tuesdays at all. But I saw we got perfect long. Go baby lower, please. Give us this for value gap and then do whatever you want. I mean, give us long after this. I like how Silver trying to divorce to this for value gap as well. Let's check 5-minute chart. Maybe we have something else there. So right now we did 5-minute inversion. Once again, still picture is tricky on high time frame. Lots of wicks, but bodies trading inside tight range, as you can see. So let me highlight this 5-minute inversion. Oops. What kind of reaction we can get here? 5-minute 2022 model. All right, let's see. I wouldn't say it's... I don't have Telegram yet, but I'm going to probably open one soon. I'm going to live stream my trades on Ninja Trader channel when it's going to be Ninja Trader Arena cap. So look at this interesting Vika's reaction from this 5-minute inversion. Once again, still, if I want to consider this as like sweep, double sweep, and just take a sweep on hourly, we don't have continuation set up here yet. All right. How big this week here? Like 5 points. That's a lot. So let's see if it's going to offer continuation with this closure above this blue line. Because I still would like to see lower. Continuation never was offered yet. So what happened here, guys? As you can see, we swept this flat candle, trying to respect this level. Look at this pump. Let me open hourly chart again. Well, so what I want to tell about this price action, back to gold. But on hands. Exactly so far. I still believe I follow my rules simply because once again, nothing was offered here. It's better to wait for continuation setup higher or just stay away at all. My perfect scenario was long from far for value gap, or like not perfect one is going to be 3-minute order block here as continuation. We never closed, as you can see. It's still not order block on both micro and Q and just gold itself. Like it may offer continuation to all-time high and take 40.88 if it's going to close above this blue line. So it will offer order block. Otherwise, no continuations here at all. All right. Not offered, yeah. Failed. Last time I tried, I mean, come on, I can be wrong like 100%. We have some SMTs with silver. Let's see what silver offered. Cannot take this for value gap as well. You're going to use wicks? You're not going to include this huge wick here? Okay. It's only 10:13, so we still have lots of time to trade something. Too early to give up. Thirty seconds left on this candle. Some volatility. No order block, nothing here yet. Yeah, gold inside consolidation. That's true. Come on, tell me you want to close inside this range again. What a scam. Are you serious? It's not a scam, that's okay. This means no entry here. as you can see on 3-minute chart, absolutely nothing happened. We balanced this 3-minute fair value gap, we got a test of 3-minute order block, and that's it. It never ever offered continuation just yet on 3-minute chart. I see on 5-minute chart we got order block, but on 3-minute chart we got nothing. Keep waiting, guys. Another 3 minutes, 2 minutes left. Yeah, gold is better than NQ in my opinion. I agree with you. If it could drop to 4 fair value gap, I could be like so happy today. Bitcoin going to 140k, I think in October. I think like it's going to be to 180 by the end of the year, which is nice. Like top by the end of year, because who knows what how far it can go in 10 years, right? Oh yeah, then yes, that's right. "40 seconds left on this candle. I would say as long as Trump president, gold, not gold, gold also, but Bitcoin will go higher because he supports this. Just I believe banks need to start accepting Bitcoin, so it will fly to the moon, like all banks. At this point, what is going on? Like what? Well, I remember I was waiting for 2 hours a couple of weeks ago to get like solid setup. Not going to give up. On this cycle, it's okay. We need to wait for another 3 minutes. I cannot say, I mean, what is manipulated? Like overall, everything, yes, is manipulated. It's going to be biggest rug pull in the history. When? What should happen to do this? To drop a lot. Okay, less than 2 minutes left on this 3-minute candle. I hope something is going to happen with this 3-minute candle, so at least we can try to frame the trade. Decoupled, why do you think it should happen? "50 seconds left on this candle. Yeah, gold moved amazing, really amazing during London and Asia. Probably that's why we inside this consolidation during the AM session, which is fine. Come on, guys, that's okay. Are you serious? Oh my god, are you serious? What a scam. How people trade this right now inside this range? Yeah, let's check NQ and ES. Seems like you got solid 3-minute OB right now on ES to drop this again. So let's see if it's going to detect this area at 6770.50. We got 3-minute, 1-minute order block here. We got the closure. Let's see if price can retrace on to this 1-minute fair value gap on ES. Maybe picture will start getting better on ES right now. You took it? Micro ES. 1-minute chart. Here's 1-minute fair value gap. Let's see. So we're chasing this 1-minute fair value gap. Let's see if it's going to displace from this level. We got, let me see, 3-minute chart on micro gold as well. Okay, we got first sign of bearishness here. Yeah, it's inside consolidation, definitely, but we got first sign of bearishness on both micro gold and gold. So let's see if it may offer some momentum lower. Once again, preferable to get like lower. Let's see. Like, don't want to engage yet. It's just quite choppy, as you can see here. Don't see like entry yet, as well. I don't see really like where I need to put my stop loss. Nothing really here yet. What about silver? Silver is doing nothing, like also inside consolidation. Sorry, guys. Yeah, nothing is going on so far. Back on yes. I was like, yeah, here's the first sign of bearishness. I'm just not sure how far we can go at this point. Back on yes. Micro ES. Okay, let's see. We chased this fair value gap so far. Small 1 minute fair value gap. Still nothing is going on there. Pretty choppy. Nothing on gold as well. Back on gold. Well, at least we, okay, never mind. We got the closure finally here. Okay, micro gold here. What about 5-minute chart? 5-minute chart's about to offer 5-minute OB, which is pretty much bullish sign. Okay, let's see. It's quite tricky right now. Don't see entry yet. Because I'm worrying about like, okay, we got continuation sign finally here. President wants to close, but it's okay. How big French? Give me 1 second. I don't know, guys. Probably going to stay flat. I don't feel comfortable right now with this long. At least for this specific second. I will show you guys once in trade. Not yet. Because for now we have continuation on 5 and 3-minute chart. Yeah. But this chap getting crazy. Any payouts? Yeah, I got some. I got last week from Take Profit Trader. Which is nice. No, nothing from Epics yet. Just yet. 1 second. Kind of stuck right now. Okay. I'm not quite sure about bias yet. Yes, keep going higher. Also, don't really like this. Violent Q looks, I would say, promising. Well, guys, what is your bias on gold? Where are we going? We're going higher? We're going lower? Or you don't know? Bullish, no idea. I would say no idea as well. You know, like, I feel a bit tricky right now because definitely, yeah, we expected equal lows. We got 3-minute OBS continuation higher to take new all-time high again. And we have projections higher. I would say question about for fair value gap. Okay, 1 second. I'm going to come back in a moment. All right. What did I miss? I would say nothing. See, it's Chopy right now. Probably I'm happy I didn't take any trades yet. I would say, I don't know, like gold left level lower, like definitely left this, which is for value gap. So right now, with the trace to stimulant order block, I would say 50% of the stimulant OB. As you can see, trying to respect this area. But honestly, guys, it's Chopy right now. Let's check silver. I would say the only issue with setup, guys, I mean, it moved a lot during Asia and London. That's why it looks like this right now. Okay, let's see. Reaccumulation. You think it will go higher? We're gonna see. You know, yeah, we got bullish confirmation right now since we got the closure above this sequence of down close candles. Definitely it's bullish confirmation. Definitely it's order block within this 30-minute candle, which is sorry guys, which is continuation higher setup. But the only issue with this, I believe, like for continuation, it doesn't need to be inside consolidation. But here's yes. Let's see. Here's a model for continuation right now, like entry for continuation. What do you think, guys? So once again, let's talk about this trade again. So I may actually try this. We got a reaction from equal lows on 30-minute chart. Looks pretty much that it wants to reverse. Okay, that's perfect. That's first confirmation. After this, it offered 5-minute order block as continuation of this potential sweep on hourly. So we want to trade this candle, right? Also, after this, it offered propulsion block, like 3 confirmation on 5-minute chart. On 3-minute chart looks absolutely garbage, unfortunately. But yeah, we got 3-minute order block as well as confirmation of this sweep, double sweep, right? So we expected 50% of this 3-minute OB, which is bullish sign as well, because if price expects 50%, this means it's acts as support or resistance. But the only problem is still inside consolidation. I guess that's only the problem, but let's see. I'm not on this trade yet. I'm just thinking out loud. Why I'm not on this trade? Simply because we're inside consolidation. That's, I would say, my biggest concern. But let's actually may try with just 3 micros. Let's see if it's going to displace. I will try with 3 micros, like 4 micros, just to try this. Otherwise, not going to touch this. Why I'm struggling with entry right now? Not because I'm scared to last, not at all. It's just consolidation, which is typically bad sign to enter any trade. That's why I'm not in this trade. I'm not in trade, guys. If it's going to displace, I may actually try this. Otherwise, no reason to trade this at all. Yeah. Let's switch on ES and Q. So far, just garbage. What's wrong with price action during AM session on all instruments, like all markets? That's still a question. Come on. Market maker does not want to give us money. Yeah, probably. Okay, since market open, I wouldn't say like we got perfect price action. Like it was consolidation. I don't know. If it'll displace, I will enter a long trade. Like displacement like this. Like a big up close candle. I will try long then. Otherwise, not going to touch this. There's no reason. In my opinion. What's wrong with this price action? Just tell me. I would say yes, a bit trickier yet for a move lower. Well, guys, it's boring price action so far. One more test of this 50% of order block. On yes, once again, looks a bit more bullish if I want to compare this with NQ. Markets are tricky. Okay. Micro ES, going to check the minute chart right now. The 3-minute chart? No, that's hourly. Okay. Best hours to trade gold, I would say between 7 and 9 a.m., 9:50 and 11 a.m., and 7 to 10 p.m. New York time. Gold insane chop. I mean, I do like to trade Asia. It's way better than trading PM session, for example, or even AM session. I mean, I enjoyed trading this. But good sign when Asia and London moves a lot. IM session probably is going to be something like this. Okay. Insane chop. But I would say eventually should like break this range. Once again, set up still wallet. Do you still trade CL? Not really. Trying to displace here. At least something good is going on. Look cute. I look tired. But look at my perfect arrow, guys. Isn't that amazing? Yeah, I will be on Tradify. She's pink. Why don't you trade CL? You know, like CL started consolidating on medium time frame and high time frame. In my opinion, it's hard to trade. Like when inside high time frame and medium time frame consolidation, always hard to trade something. We got displacement. Let's see if I can engage in this long. Need to see some speed right now so I can engage in this trade. Because if it's going to be just slow move down again, I will call this day, at least this AM session. Like, no reason for me to even try this anymore. On 3-minute chart on yes, I'm looking for order block to form. See? No. No, thank you. Goodbye gold for today. Yeah, 3-minute order block on yes failed to be presented. What about in Q? But M and Q looks a bit more bearish, guys. So if you want to compare it like NQ and ES right now, structures you can see still bullish on ES while bearish on NQ. You shorted NQ, okay. I feel like I'm like, I don't know, like I see nothing right now that worth to try. If longs here were really obvious, right now long is just part of consolidation, but really like makes sense simply because we got a continuation of this long. But it's not that obvious, for example, as it was here before. That's why I'm like, I know. Okay, let's see if next 6 minutes is going to something happen. If something will happen, I will, if I can engage in this trade or not. If not, then bad. Why don't take this demand order block entry? Simply because it's part of consolidation. That's why I'm looking for displacement and entry at displacement again. Because displacement means speed. We're trying to break consolidation at this point. No reason to retrace at all anymore. Back to this consolidation. Let's see, M&Q, ES. Let's highlight New York midnight open on ES because it can be the target if it's going to drop. Mm-hmm. Yes, doesn't have order block just yet. So, as I said before, NQ looks way more bearish compared to ES. Let's play games. Yeah, let's play games because market is boring right now. Who wants to see gold higher? Who wants to see gold taking out all-time high again? Who wants to see gold lower? It's taken out 4-hour fair value gap. Type 1 in the chat if higher, 2 if lower. Let's see how many people are bullish and bearish. Okay, if bullish 1, if bearish 2. Well, lots of ones. Some 2s here. I mean, we inside bullish, I would say we inside continuation setup right now for a higher move. But it's slow. Probably I would like to see higher right now. We got confirmation for this. Talking about yes, I'm not sure what I would like to see on yes because yes looks garbage, like a scam. Once again, we inside bullish. I'm not in yet. We inside bullish confirmation. Nice displacement here. At least something is going on. You can do a pull. I mean, yeah, I can. Gold I know about target. I'm just have some projections at 40.88, like here. Can we go there? Like I really have no idea. We'll be surprised to see if it's going to like pump a lot. I'd like to see something. Well. Even looking at the displacement, I still believe it's initially was garbage. Let me make a note real quick. Oops. Who is like pink and blue papers? It's impossible to see what you wrote there. Actually, I should have this one. Quick note on this trade. Oops, sorry guys. Should continue going higher to all-time high, but probably the test of 80. What's the day today? Like October, okay. Quick note on this trade so I can forget for journal. Chopy giveaway. Next week is going to be huge week of giveaways, like really huge one. It's going to be like really lots of accounts for giveaway, guys. Like lots of accounts for giveaway. So yeah, not today, but next week, guys, join me for huge giveaways every day because we're about to hit 30,000 people on my channel. So yeah, guys, it's going to be week of giveaways. It's going to be Tradify. It's going to be Lucid accounts. It's going to be Funding 6, Take Profit Trader, Epics. Did I say TradeZella? TradeZella, FX Replay. What else? Let me see. Funded Next. I don't remember. Yeah. Yeah, thank you so much. I hit 30,000 people. So I don't see any reason to like start a week of giveaways this week because it's Wednesday, like 2 days. Like no, thank you. But I will do from Monday, not from Monday, from Tuesday to Friday. It's going to be week of giveaways. Like once again, lots of accounts for giveaway, Lucid accounts, Epix accounts, Take Profit Trader, Tradify, Funding 6. I'm not sure about Funding 6, but I believe I highlighted this in my schedule. I think so. Funded Next. I will check with Funded Next if I have some accounts for giveaway. And that's it. But TradeZella, 12 months, I believe. And FX Replay is going to be monthly subscription, 3 months for you guys. Yeah, guys. So we're still here. Let's see if you're going to get like something here. As you can see, yes, still remains bullish. Barely closed an offered order block, which is probably not going to count. We have some SMTs. And next level is all-time high, I believe. So once again, we trade at all-time highs. Obviously, I don't have any projections. Okay. TradeZella is not only like backtest software, but also it is journal software, so you can track your performance there, and so on. I took some trades last week, but the AM session like wasn't rich with setups. It's projection level, 2.5 standard deviation projection based on hourly manipulation leg. So it's 11:10. So guys, join me for PM sessions team. I hope PM is going to offer like more setups for us because I trade ES there. So for gold, could be better, but it is what it is. So yeah, I'm bullish over on gold. Let's see if it continue going higher to 40.80. I'm actually engaged in longs. If it's going to close above all-time high, I will try this long. Let's see. I just need some breaks for before next session. Okay, guys, thank you so much for subscribing me. Thank you so much. We reached finally 30,000 people on my channel. Week of giveaways is going to be huge. Week of giveaways. You need to buy glasses for your chart. Some people aren't seeing well. Yeah. Well, guys. Yeah. See you guys soon. In 1 hour on TradingView TV. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't make stupid mistakes. And yeah, I have a win pre-market win on gold. I may actually try to long again. Maybe in like 40 minutes, like for lunch macro. We will see. If I'll take a trade, I will record recap on this. Yeah, guys, see you tomorrow and see you today on TradingView TV. I will stream PM session. Yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Okay.